go in, you scan your app, and then you pick up whatever you want, put it in this bag right here, and then you walk out through these this corridor thing, and you get billed, and that's it. Simple as that. You find me?
Not yet.
No.
I don't know what to get.
I might just get some water. I think that's it. Bag in hand. I'm just gonna walk right out of the store without paying a soul. Yeah, and that was that. Super easy. Awesome experience. Weird, very weird. Just walked out of there, walked in, walked out. Didn't really have to do anything. Just have to put your phone up to a screen and not deal with anyone except for the crowds. Fantastic experience. If you're in Seattle and need to go shopping at all, check out the Amazon Go store. It's an experience. By and large, it's an experience. And yeah, I wish they would implement this across the country. Thank you all for watching. Short and sweet, kind of wild, kind of cool. Check it out if you're in Seattle. Once again, 10 out of 10. Do it to it. Amazon Go.